Trachea.
Okay, in the trachea, there's a C-shaped cartilage.
C-shaped cartilage.
What's the name for the cartilage?
Hyaline cartilage.
No, not the kind of tissue. What's its particular name? Yeah, tracheal cartilage. So these are your tracheal cartilages. This is your trachea, and these are your tracheal cartilages. These guys here. Okay, and they're C-shaped. Okay, so the curve of the C is where my finger is, and then it goes back, so it goes like this. Kind of a little more than C, like a close C. Okay, so this is anterior at the front of your neck, and this is posterior. Okay, so then that's your tracheal cartilage. And what kind of tissue is it made out of? Hyaline cartilage. Yeah, you're right about that. Hyaline cartilage. Okay, so then back here, we have this open space right here. We have smooth muscle. This might be a little thicker, should make that. Yellow versus orange. I'm not really digging it. Hard to see, huh? Oh well, you guys will figure it out. Okay, so the smooth muscle then kind of disappears on the sides here. Okay, so the smooth muscle is in yellow, and it's called the trachealis muscle. Okay, so kind of like this is your biceps muscle. This is the trachealis muscle. That's its name. And what kind of tissue is that made out of? Smooth muscle. Okay, and then we have one more thing. This is the organ, the inside. What do we expect to see lining on the inside? Yeah, epithelium, the pseudostratified, ciliated, columnar. You guys got it. Pseudostratified, ciliated, columnar. Okay, so that's my lovely white layer here. Okay, so that's your epithelial lining. I'm going to abbreviate because it's so darn long. Pseudostrat. Pseudostrat, right? Ciliated columnar. It's been a long week. Okay, pseudostratified ciliated columnar, and then you do have the underlying connective tissue too. Okay, so that, even though that's not on your list, I think it should be, but it's not on your list. So you would expect to see the underlying connective tissue there too. Okay, so let's look at this slide then. Okay, so what kind of tissue is this? Big old yawn. That's okay. That's the hyaline cartilage. Okay, so here is the space. That's a pretty, almost a circle, right? This one's almost a circle. That's the space at the back of the C. That's the posterior part. So we can go all the way around and just follow the hyaline cartilage. There's a lot of adipose. This is a very odd slide. These are our new slides this semester, and I told one group, these big gaping holes, never seen that before, never seen that in a cross-section, a picture of the trachea. So try to look at those as an abnormality. It's in the lamina propria, just not really sure what they are. They sort of look like veins. I think I spotted a few red blood cells in some of them, but just ignore those. Okay, so there's your tracheal cartilage, and you guys find the smooth muscle? Just go a little closer. That's the posterior part. Can you see it there? Okay, so I see smooth muscle right here. Goes across the opening in the back of the C, and I see it wrapping around this way. And we can follow it.
So it kind of doesn't wrap in front of the hyaline.
Oh, whoops, there's the C. Wait a second, what was that over here?
It just got pushed over.
Just got pushed over, that was weird. Okay, here's the back of the C there. Huh.
There's no
opening there, and I see the smooth muscle there and there. Not a great side. Maybe one of the other ones is better. All right, and then on the inside here, lining. Let's go one closer. Nice, that's nice. See the cilia?